Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbox my new iPad mini 6th generation. Here is the opening part. Let's start with it. Gotcha. Here it is, the new iPad mini 6th gen. Anything else? Against the buildings. I'm gonna remove this box and let's start. शुरू करते हैं अपने iPad से. कभी इसको ओपन नहीं किया मैंने पहले. Okay, you have to tear from here or something. Got it. The box. And here is the new iPad mini. Before checking this out, let us check what is inside the box. So there are some. This is probably instruction manual. iPad mini. Yeah, these are the instruction manuals. Oh, now Apple is also giving stickers, right? There is a sticker here, which you can probably add over the cover, right? And that's it. Love the packaging. Okay. And also inside the box, there is a Type C to Type C cable. And from the videos that I have seen, this is probably a 20-watt charger. Okay. So yeah, this is a 20-watt charger. It is written here. And that's pretty much all that was inside the box. I'm gonna remove this empty case and I'm gonna uncover this beast. You can see the Apple logo. Yeah. Out of the space gray version only, not the Starlight one. That is pretty famous at this moment. I love it. I also made personal engraving. This is from the anime Naruto. The character named Madara Uchiha says this. There are also some other speeches, but wake up to reality. That's what is written. And damn, this looks so good. And the new feature is that now there is a fingerprint unlock option, which has been moved to the top. The side is for the Apple Pencil. I have an Apple Pencil 2nd generation for my iPad Pro, and damn, it fits perfectly. Okay, and these are the volume buttons. So let's start. Let us start set up this iPad Pro, and I'm gonna probably change the angle a bit.
Hello guys, so hope you liked the unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video on my channel. I mostly post educational videos and short lectures on several topics. If you do like my channel, be sure to subscribe to it, and as always, thank you for watching.